Video is all about content series called Road to 500 Horsepower on our Subaru WRX VB TR. Let's go ahead and get into it. The Road to 500 Horsepower on the WRX VB TR. We have a deadline for this. Our deadline would be at least before New Year's of 2025. Currently right now it is December 4th, 2024. We only have a few weeks left, I would say. We got the car the May of 2024, which is, earlier this year. We did the aesthetic stuff such as coilovers, wheels, tires, and also the front lip, the carbon fiber front lip, and also the paint match and wing around summertime or June, July. Fall season, we went a little bit hard. Yeah, we went a little bit hard on the performance, which we actually have some good stuff in it already. I mean, technically it is fully bolt on, and we are just waiting for something that's called tune. When we first got this car, the black trims really caught our attention a lot, and let's just say everyone did not like the black trims. So we decided to go ahead and get rid of the black trims, color match the whole black trim that we have. This is how it went. Here's a Subaru WRX TR. So the plan is for today, we're gonna have this trimmed out, painted, paint matches the black trim, blue one. So see all these black trims right here? We're gonna paint match that to the blue. This right here as well. This one right here, and this one right here. This is our wing. So shout out to Import Image Racing, all the way from Florida. So I'm pretty sure they're also gonna mount this thing on. Pretty excited about this, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Here you go. This is our new paint match Subaru WRX TR. This is crazy. So you guys remember, this trim right here used to be black. That one right there is black too, the skirts, and also the back. Look how nice that is, you guys. Look at that, you guys. That looks super nice, bro. This Subaru SCI wing definitely looks super good for the WRX TR VB chassis. Shout out to Import Image Racing, Josh. We like this stuff, man. I appreciate you so much for your partnership with us. So you guys can see, this is also painted up blue. Got that finish. This one is black. Definitely looks nice. This is awesome. The front end definitely looks good. So we took care of the black trims, like I said. This one's rated blue. So you guys can see the black ones right here. This used to be matte, all right, but we painted it to gloss. So we're putting this is a gloss black now. The same goes this. Dude, the blue trim is definitely nice, bro. Super stoked. I'm doing parts for this to mod it as much as possible. We already got the coilovers. We already have the wheels and tires. So after the paint matching, tires and wheels were still stock, or rims, however you guys want to call it. And we decided that we were going to change it right away because we thought of it, this is going to be one hell of a street car and also a rally car. So we don't want it to be stock for so long. And we decided to get some pretty good stuff for it.
These are stock?
Yes. And these are 20s, right?
No,
19s. 19s, sir.
I don't know how wide they are, but they're 245. This is what the stocks came with. On this, it is on raise, I believe so. Made in Japan. Concept is racing. There's no whatever. It is squared. It is 245, 40 R18. So we did go down one size. A little bit more.
Great for track.
Weight reduction overall.
Indeed.
Comfort is maybe, if we went on the thicker tire, maybe a little more comfortable, but concept is racing. We don't care about comfort.
T37 SELs. Yeah. SLs, I'm sorry.
In blue and red, just to add a little bit more of striking features. So, I mean, red calipers, blue, looks great.
Comment down below if you guys like this combination, guys.
At the same time we did, so we have
a lot of people can relate to this.
silvers. That was done at the exact same time we did the wheels and tires. They are great. They're adjustable. I believe they're two-way. Right now, they are dialed in just for street. We haven't really gotten to fine-tuning them yet.
Which will be eventually.
Which will happen
Yeah.
next year, early next year.
This part right here, Johnson will tell you our very first PLM product that we put on or that we installed for the WRX VB TR. Go at it, man.
The first one we actually put on is our 3-piece carbon fiber front lip.
Yes, sir.
And if you just move back a little bit, you can see it totally changes the absolute aggression of the front end, or lack of aggression, but now it looks a lot more aggressive. It sticks out a little bit, I think about 3 inches. It definitely changed the front end from what I personally think is, okay, cool, you're kind of cool, to don't piss me off, in a way.
Okay,
yeah, and we
I
also
like that,
changed
I like that.
the grill as well. We did all the exterior stuff all at the exact same time. But anyways, yeah, so this was actually not too difficult to install. We didn't even put on the lift. We just jacked up the front and installed it. And it comes with self-tapping screws. Fitment is really good.
I gotta show you guys the fitment right here, y'all.
Yeah, look at that. See, it doesn't
No gaps.
short here.
No gaps at all. On this side as well. Same length. No gaps at all.
Yeah, so overall install wasn't too difficult.
Yeah.
It was mostly just getting the car up and then lying on your back, getting
That was the difficult part.
Yeah, that was the difficult part. That's the first thing we did, was all exterior wise. Now, of course, we still have exterior products as well. We have the side skirts, we have the rear diffusers. We are at some point gonna put them in, which you don't know yet. We have other things planned for this car immediately, so that's probably going to take priority. So that's one of the reasons why we did aesthetics first, is to just get the ball rolling on exterior, how it looks. And it's to a point where we all feel, okay, let's pause on exterior, let's do some other stuff.
Yeah. And there you guys have it. This is where it ends for the episode 1 of Road to 500 Horsepower on our Subaru WRX VB TR. Which of the first following mods on the WRX VB TR did you guys enjoy watching, or you guys like? Now, make sure to comment it down below. And we also want you guys to stay tuned for episode 2, since we will be talking more of the PLM performance products that we installed on this platform. We have the PLM J-pipe / downpipe. We also have the PLM mid-pipe, non-resonated. We also have the axle back, the muffler delete. And we also have the equal length header. And the best of all would be the PLM P660 turbo that we just did. Well, we want you guys to stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, I'll end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Stay safe. We don't even have no tune yet.